ready for cocktail hour. Shake it up like a pro with this complete set of top-quality bar tools from Winter Castle. The set includes stainless steel Pro Boston shaker tins, one double jigger fit for all your drinks, a mixing spoon, 3 strainers including Hawthorne, Julep, and fine mesh strainer, an 8-inch muddler, 4 liquor pourers with dust caps, tongs, a bamboo stand, and a free 50-plus classic recipe ebook. This complete 18-piece bartender set by Winter Castle has everything you need to take cocktail hour to the next level. Winter Castle, crafted with quality for all cocktail lovers everywhere.